What's going on, my tech friends? This is the One Tech Boss. So today, I have a big grin on my face because, yeah, it's coming to the end of 2020, and yeah, it's just a matter of like 2 weeks, maybe. Yeah, something like that. 2 weeks, and the whole year is finished, and we can move on to another year, which is 2021, which we're gonna be the year that we're gonna grind again till 2022. You know how it is. We hustling. We grinding up here. Well, yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna be telling you guys my top 10 tech. I mean, my top 7 tech of 2020. So, without further ado, let's get straight right into it. Coming in at number 1, my most favorite tech of 2020. Obviously, it's gotta be the thing that stays in my pocket whenever I go out. It follows me whenever I walk around the house. It's gotta be my smartphone, and it is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. And wow, absolutely a beast of a phone. But there is only one fault: the camera. That 108 megapixel camera is a gimmick. Please, guys, if you have the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, don't upgrade to this because the camera is just absolutely dog poo. Just don't. I mean, apart from the camera, the phone has been absolutely awesome. Dropped it a few times. Luckily, I had a case on it, so we didn't smash it, nothing. But yeah, it's quick. It's just so versatile. I can't say that word. So I don't even know the word I'm looking for. But yeah, the phone is just absolutely amazing to use. It's nice, especially if you got the right size fingers and the right size hands. This phone will be very, very nice for you. Anyway, moving on to number 2 on my list is my YouTube camera. What I'm making these videos with. It's the Canon Eos 90D. I've had this camera like a month and a couple of weeks now. Obviously, I used to rock the 80D, but that was only capped out at 1080p. But the 90D is 4K 25 frames per second, and obviously it does 4K as well, and it does 1080p and 720p as well. But I mean, who's gonna shoot 720p when they have a 4K camera? I bought this camera specifically for that 4K feature. But yeah, it's an absolutely awesome camera. The quality isn't there yet where I want it to be, but I mean, it will do for now. But I am thinking of upgrading to mirrorless to Sony and leaving Canon, because Canon is pretty much photo first, video second. I want a camera that is video first and then photo second, because I don't take pictures of my cameras at all. So yeah, that's why I'll be moving on to Sony, and I'm thinking of getting the Sony A7 C. But yeah, that's my plan in the future, maybe next year, but I don't know yet, because this camera is still nice and it's pretty much still a new camera to me. So yeah, anyway, but we have to see next year and see how it goes. Depends on how many of you guys actually get people to sub to my channel and view my videos, and how many likes, and yeah, yada yada, all that stuff. Anyway, moving on to number 3 is my tablet, my Samsung Galaxy Tab A 10.1 inch, absolutely beast. I bought this tablet, never thought I'd use it. I literally bought it just for a YouTube video and for a review and an unboxing, and that was it. But obviously, then I started getting into the videos of me making leaks, rumors about certain smartphones that's going to be coming out in a few months' time, or even next year, or whatever like that. And yeah, it's been very nice, because I normally make a script. I just put it right in front of the camera so I can just read through it, and because of the 10-inch display and the 10-inch screen is very, very nice, because I can see what I'm actually reading, which is very nice. And I've been using it quite a lot since when I started making these leaks and rumor videos. So yeah, it's been a big help. Actually, I was actually thinking of selling it after the video, but I actually didn't, because obviously, yeah, it was helping me with my work. Anyway, moving right along to number 4 is my USB and an SD card reader, which is placed literally with a 3M tape underneath my desk, which is right behind me. It's very, very nice, because normally when I make my videos and when I offload my videos, I normally take my camera to the PC and then upload my files and my footage. But this time, all I have to do is go to the side of the camera, take the SD card out, put it in, upload my videos and put the SD card back in the camera, because the PC doesn't actually have the slot to put the USB card in. But yeah, it's very nice because it helps me out, because then I don't have to mess around with the camera, and when I put it back again and then having to reframe it so it looks exactly how all the framing of my other videos look. It just helps me, so the camera is in one place, I don't have to touch it, and yeah, it's all ready for me when I obviously come to sit here and make a video for you guys. Anyway, moving on to number 5 on my list is my headset that I use for gaming and productivity. Absolutely awesome headset. It's the Corsair Hs70 Se. It's the wireless version as well. So yeah, it's very nice for when you're gaming. It's primarily a gaming headset, but when it comes to productivity, it's absolutely awesome. It's a beast. It's literally a beast. When you're gaming, you can literally hear around you. It's got surround sound built in as well, but you need to download the IQ app for that to be able to get that feature. But surround sound, you can literally hear everything around you, and it's great, especially when I make videos, because then I can monitor my audio and just make sure that I'm having my audio in the right levels and stuff like that, which is very, very nice. Anyway, moving on to number 6 is my slider, what I use to get my nice B-roll shots and nice smooth B-roll shots. That's my slider. And yeah, it's very nice because obviously when I have a product to unbox, obviously I make my B-rolls of it when I do the videos. But yeah, it's very nice. Don't really use it that much because I don't have tech to actually unbox, because obviously I don't really have that amount of money to be buying the latest tech so I can feature on the channel. So if you guys are out there watching this video, you want to send me something to review, new tech, just shoot me an email or a DM on Instagram or whatever. Everything will be linked down below, and yeah, I'll feature your products and your tech items on this channel, no problem at all. But yeah, the slider is very, very nice because, like I said, you can get nice smooth shots with it, which is nice. And then coming in at number 7 is that over there. That lamp, I specifically call it the setup lamp. It literally lights up my background, so to spice things up a little bit. Now it's just light in green, but I can light purple, blue, white, brown, whatever, yellow, whatever color I want. It's got the Philips Hue light bulb in there, which you can obviously control with an app on your phone, and you need the Philips Hue bridge for that as well. But yeah, it's a nice lamp. It's very good, because obviously, like I said, it illuminates the background, makes the video look a little bit more spicy and stuff like that. But yeah, it's literally a lamp from IKEA, and it's got a stand on it, and you got the light bulb in there as well, just illuminating the background, just to make it look a little bit nicer. But yeah, that's been my 7 top tech of 2020. Can't wait to 2021 because they're going to be new tech, and yeah, I'll have my favorites as well, which is going to be nice. Anyway guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like the video. Also turn on your post notification on and subscribe as well, so you don't miss out on whatever video that I upload on this channel. And yeah, like I said, if you guys have text to send me, just give me a shout and I will feature that on my YouTube channel. But yeah guys, comment down below, tell me if any of these tech that I've mentioned you actually use by yourself, or you actually own these tech. And yeah, just let me down below, and also like the video, dislike the video, tell me why you dislike the video. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.